started my period today, so I'm wearing red. I thought I would be festive. Honda City. Her looking outside. What her doing, honey bunny? What out there? I need to clean my house today. It's almost 12. I've been editing a vlog all morning. By the time you guys see this, that will already be up. And I'm gonna go get a drink. I don't know why I'm like this, but before I start cleaning, I need like a drink. And it can't be from my fridge. It has to be like from somewhere. I don't know why I'm like this. We're gonna embrace some things, you know? The little things that make you happy, do it. I'm gonna go get a drink, come back, and then just clean the fuck out of my house. It is so windy outside and so gloomy. I'm gonna open up the windows, get some air, but yeah, it's looking a little sus outside. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Sorry that I blinked it on you. It's all because I don't have anything new. We won't be kind if we run away from time. We can feel fine if we leave it all behind. Behind your smile, it's breaking down. It is day 3 of no vaping, and it's really hard. I am really struggling. It's also the second day of my period, which is my heaviest day, but I would sleep with my vape under my pillow. So like if I woke up in the middle of the night, I would hit it. First thing I did when I woke up in the morning was hit it. Before I fell asleep, hit it. It's basically like always in my hand. I'm gonna get emotional. And it's crazy because yeah, this is just so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. Because in my mind, I was like, oh, whenever I want to quit, I could just quit. And because I've tried before and I gave up on day 3. So this is day 3 again. And the urge is just so intense. And I actually passed the smoke shop today when I went to get a coffee, and I almost stopped, and I didn't, because I think that the guilt of having to start over again would eat at me than just getting through these days and getting through those urges. And it's really hard. I keep having the urge, but I keep reminding myself there's no real reward. I'm just wasting money and putting my health at risk. So I have to keep reminding myself why I don't want to do this. What's helping is taking deep breaths in as if I was gonna hit it. So I'll do like, so it's like an imaginary hit, and it actually helps. It does, but it's just, again, those urges are coming up a lot more than on the first day. I'm just gonna stay focused and keep reminding myself why I am doing this. Keep reminding myself that I have the power, I am in control, and because I really don't want to have to start over. I'm on day 3, and you know, I want to be able to get to day 90 or day whatever, you know. Also, if you watched my last vlog, then you know I'm cutting out drinking until my birthday. And on my birthday, I'll have a couple drinks, but then I'm not going to drink again for 75 days. Just to, you know, limit the alcohol, challenge myself. I feel like quitting alcohol is easier than this whole vaping thing, which is interesting. Yeah, that's where I'm at. Hi, honey. Hi, baby. Her so cutie. Her the cutest little kitty I ever did see. I want her ball.
So spin our souls to the core. I'll sing a song to wake up the songbirds. Before the morning I'm out the door. And yo, she introduced herself with a white cloud. She said, I know you're about to be next to blow up. So here's a secret, I make loving all night long. Let's call the Uber cab, relax and just go nuts. And in the cab our lips collide, it's just chaos. Your body's twitching at the tips of my hands. I'm trying to read your thoughts and I am a player. You're trying to get across, you don't need a man. Perfect. So spin our souls to the core. I'll sing a song to wake up the songbirds. Before the morning I'm out the door. Mist is glistening on the harbor. Your sleepy ass and 60 texting my phone. Inebriated pics I barely remember. Except for the night, it was nice to not be alone. So spin our souls to the core. I'll sing a song to wake up the songbirds. Before the morning I'm out the door. Yo, I got my dreams on my back, I got you on my lap. I got my baggage from the past, girl, I be carrying that across the city and globe. Didn't want you to know I'm getting bitter, trying to figure out this life on my own. I got my dreams on my back, I got you on my lap. I got my baggage from the past, girl, I be carrying that across the city and globe. Didn't want you to know I'm getting bitter, trying to figure out this life on my own.
I don't know how you feel, and I don't know what you think, but I'll be fine. I'm just wasting my mind on you. And now it don't seem real, but I think that's for the best sometimes.
It is Friday and me and Bianca are gonna go see a movie. We're gonna go see Megan. This was Bianca's idea. I didn't even know about this movie until she told me. And
No!
what? Get your shoes on so we can go. Let's go eat. So we are okay, we are gonna go find something to eat and then we're gonna go to the movies. It's just gonna be me and Bianca, little one-on-one time. I'm excited.
Cause I still get those butterflies, I do.
There's a sweet melody I try to ignore, and it sounds just like a knock on the door. I got too much time to waste and not enough to do. What you got to lose? Got nothing left to prove. Will my love hit me up when I'm stuck in my head? Am I just out of luck? Throw me back to my bed. If only I didn't care, but that's not true. There's so many things that I wish I could say, but my voice just goes away. I don't know how you feel, and I don't know what you think, but I'll be fine wasting my mind on you. And now it don't seem real, but I think that's for the best, 'cause I still get those butterflies, I do.
Why are you still in my dreams, cleaning my tears up? What does that mean? When you're not here, love, I lost my peace looking through our pictures. I can't believe it. They said give it time, and that I tried, but I can't seem to hide my love for
Used to be try hard, and now I don't try.
my heart. It fights my my mind. Why do these feelings keep love alive? Way past his bedtime. Just give me a clue. Do you want to talk again? What do I do to make you mine again? Butterflies got me asking why don't we give this another try? I want to get it right with you, with you.
So I got this book for Christmas, The War of Art, and CJ actually got me this book, and oh my gosh, I'm like, first 3 pages, life-changing. And I love books like that. Like, as soon as you dive in, you're like, oh, I was supposed to read this. Like, I didn't find this book found me. I want to read you a page out of this book. Resistance seems to come from outside ourselves. We locate it in spouses, jobs, bosses, kids. As Pat Riley used to say when he coached the Los Angeles Lakers, resistance arises from within. It is self-generated and self-perpetuated. Resistance is the enemy within. I think we all struggle with resistance. And it talks about the pursuit of any calling in writing, painting, music, film, dance, or any creative art, however marginal or unconventional. The launching of any entrepreneurial venture or enterprise for profit or otherwise, any diet or health regimen, any program of spiritual advancement, any course or program, education of any kind. In other words, any act that rejects immediate gratification in our favor of long-term growth, health, or integrity. Or expressed another way, any act that derives from our higher nature instead of our lower. Any of these will elicit resistance. Resistance will tell you anything to keep you from doing your work. It's one of those books that it's been really hard to put down. It's Saturday morning. I made myself some coffee. My coffee mug is chipped, but I refuse to throw it away. I'm gonna hold on to it a little bit longer. But yeah, I'm editing, and then I'm going to record an episode for my podcast, She Stays Soft. The link is down below if you guys want to check it out. It's on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and a whole bunch of other platforms. If you guys are enjoying the video, please give it a thumbs up, a little boop, and yeah.
I like mine better. Ready? Okay, another one. Ooh, one more. That's cute. Oh, we're on video?
Yeah, it's my vlog.
I love it. My bad.